Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Wow. So good morning, good morning, good morning. I am going to tell you something that you need to do right now to actually work well at getting government contracts. So this video is going to show you 3 things I want you to focus on right now, especially if you have not gotten your first GovCon contract. You ready? Let's go. So step number 1, I want you to focus on 3 to 5 agencies that use your services. So if you're looking at this video and you are in cleaning, then that NYX code is 561720. That's our NYX codes for cleaning. Also, you want to go to NYX.com to check out other NYX codes that you may want to use to complement your cleaning businesses. It may be carpet services, disinfecting, sanitizing, pressure washing. Some of those NYX codes are 561720, like disinfecting and sanitizing, and others may have a different NYX code. Guess what? You want to make sure you know exactly what NYX codes you need to have on your SAMs and on your capability statement right now. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that after you focused on the 3 to 5 agencies, then you want to start reaching out to the OFDA of those agencies. Most agencies have an OFDA. That's who you want to really focus on sending your what? Your introduction letters. And remember, your introduction letters should have the who you are, what is the name of your company, and what makes you different. That what is so important. That lets them understand why they need your company. The next thing you want to pay attention to is reaching out to the OFDA that is connected to that agency, because guess what? They have normally a very close relationship with the contracting officer, which is the person that can give you your first contract, or many others. So you want to make sure you reach out to the OFDA of that agency, start sending them introduction letters, try to do 3 at a time, 1 week, the next week, and the 3rd week, and then reach out to them via phone. Introduce your company, give them that elevator pitch, which is similar to your written introduction letter, and start letting them know that you want to do business with that agency. Very, very important. This is what I want you to implement immediately. And if you want to learn so much more, then guess what you can do? You can click the link to register for my free masterclass on all of this and more. I go into great detail on what you need to do to get up and ready for that briefing capability, or the capability briefing that you want to give to that OFDA who's going to invite, crossing our fingers, that contracting officer that's then going to know that you're interested in doing work with their agency. So if you want to learn more, make sure you click the link to register. I'm so excited to have you there. We have a ball, a lot of energy. Bring it, bring it, bring it. And we really want to concentrate on you getting your first Gov cleaning contract. So until I see you next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.